How to record manufacturing in Odoo. First, open Odoo. Select Manufacturing. Then go to Products and click on Products. Now create new products. Enter the name of product. We can enter quantity if we have already. And also fill here other options according to requirements. Then save it. Now go to the bill of materials. Then click on new icon and check product name, and then select variant if there is variant for products after that. Enter quantity, and here we can select BOM type and company, and select raw materials in components. Then save it. Now go on Operations and click on Manufacturing Orders. Now click on New icon and select product which you have to make. Then enter here quantity of manufacturing. And here we can schedule date. And now we can see components are coming automatic here. Also material available for manufacturing or not. Now click on Confirm. Now enter confirm quantity. Then check all details is correct. And click on Produce All. Now go back to Manufacturing Orders and we can see our products are manufactured. Let's go for check. Go to Products in Products and search Product. And we can see quantity have added. Let us know if you want to know more any specific content in Odoo. Contact us to buy new, renew, consultancy, and implementation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you in next video.